Welcome back. You're watching the Morning News Hour. Now, there are reports coming in of certain factionalism or division taking place, especially when it comes to the Haryana Congress.
So there's a split in the Haryana Congress and a confession coming in from the Congress MP himself, Kumari Selja, confessing that yes, there is factionalism in the Haryana Congress, saying that the Congress party could have performed better if deserving candidates had been chosen by the party.
गुटबाजी स्वाभाविक है, गुटबाजी होती है और है। अभी सब मैं कैसे कहूँ कि नहीं है भाई, ये तो है और होती है। लेकिन बात ये है चुनाव जब लड़ते हैं हम ठीक से लड़ते हैं, लड़ा है टिकटों में जरूर मेरी समझ से हम बेहतर कर सकते हैं। कई जगह आपको दिख भी रहा है, थोड़ा हम अगर अपने राज्य की ओर ध्यान दे देते और कैंडिडेट इम्पोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। हमारे राज्य में कैंडिडेट आते हैं, लेकिन अब हो गई बात ये देखना पड़ेगा और इससे सीखे।
Well, Amandeep is with us with more details. Amandeep, good morning. What is that has prompted Kumari Selja to make such kind of a statement, saying that if they were better deserving candidates, then the Congress party would have been a better position in Haryana?
Well, very good morning, Amita. Absolutely. Kumari Selja has raised this issue in a public platform, and in fact, she has made it open claims that yes, there is a split in the Congress party, and even Congress has lost 5 seats in Haryana. And Kumari Selja, according to her statement, stating that Congress could have performed better if the candidates could have been chosen on the merit basis. And in fact, putting sideline of this factionism in the Haryana Congress. And now she said that now Congress president should focus on the assembly polls, and putting aside this factionalism, they should consider the candidates on the merit basis. Well, on the backdrop of this, Amita, there is a divide between the Hooda group and Kumari Selja group. Kumari Selja is supported by Randeep Surjewala and Kiran Chaudhary also. And in fact, they all try over together and opposing Hooda's move. And Hooda is not participating any kind of meeting held by these leaders, and neither the Hooda organized meeting, they never participate in this. So this kind of impression is now ahead of assembly polls in the Congress party. This might landing Congress party into a trouble-making situation, just because assembly polls are being scheduled just 2 or 3 months from this date now. And in fact, the fighting in the Congress party is all in open. Kumari Selja is stating that this is just because of not deciding the candidates on the merit basis. Lok Sabha has given only 5 seats. It could have given the 10 seats. But now it is the time to focus on the assembly elections, so that at least the Congress can perform in a better position. So factionalism is open, and on the other side, Congress President Uday Bhan is from the Hooda factor. He is from the Hooda camp, and he is opposing Kumari Selja, that this is the prerogative of Congress High Command to decide the tickets, and nobody should question the decision of the High Command. So infighting is all in open, Amita, and that may lose to the Congress party in upcoming assembly elections.
Okay, all right. So open statements like this being made ahead of the assembly elections, but there are some who continue to also say that there are no differences, all is well, also asking Kumari Selja and other Congress leaders not to make any such statements against the party. Listen in.
टिकट वितरण बहुत बेहतरीन ढंग से हुआ है, कांग्रेस नेतृत्व ने किया है, और उसमें किसी भी कांग्रेस को उंगली उठाने का नहीं चाहिए।